White Noise by Don Delillo is about a college teacher who's teaching he's teaching some weird subject in college. It's just a strange book, but it's one of the strangest books I've ever read. But so so there's an accident, like a nuclear accident, and so everybody must evacuate the town where he's living at, the whole town, and so he's got to escape from there, and him and his whole family. But this is one of the funniest books you can ever read. It's just insane, but it takes place in the 80s, and it's just funny. I mean, he's a real weird college professor. So there's they give him like a drug so he'll forget. His wife is taking this experimental drug that makes her forget everything, and so he goes something like, I don't believe, if you don't believe in death doesn't happen. But it's just funny. I mean, this should be made into a film. It would be great. Don DeLillo's White Noise. If you ever have a chance, check this book out. It's just outrageous.
If you like cartoons, movies, books, music, I demand you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, be prepared. Subscribe or be prepared for doom. Do not resist. Do not resist. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.